हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। स्वागत है आपका एक बार फिर से हमारे चैनल पर। फॉर फ्यूचर अपडेट्स एंड फॉर फ्री प्रीमियम अकाउंट्स एंड एप्स, free Steam games and much more exclusive tips and tricks, join us on Discord and the link to that will be in the description below. Today we're gonna show you how to know if your apps are turning on your camera or microphone without you knowing. So without any further ado, let's get started. So all you have to do is install this app called 𝐴𝐶𝑠_Dots from Play Store into your device. 𝐴𝐶𝑠_Dots adds the same iOS 14 style indicators to the top right corner of your screen whenever any third-party app uses your phone's camera or microphone. 𝐴𝐶𝑠_Dots will be visible even on your lock screen. After installing the app, you'll have to grant it the access to control your device. Once all the permissions are granted, your app is now working. Now once the app is installed, you can now customize it however you like. Just go to the settings and there you can select the color configuration for your camera access dot and your microphone access dot. You can also select the location of the dot if you want it on the top right, top left or any other location around the camera, and can also change the size of the dot. Now after setting everything up, now whenever you'll open your camera or microphone or any third-party app uses your camera or microphone without you knowing, the dots will appear around your camera. Another app that you can install is 𝗗𝗏𝗏𝗏. The app divides apps into 3 easy to understand to the point categories: safe, extra and risky, on the basis of permissions they ask you to grant. They will tell you exactly how much of a risk an application poses to your data. Now once the installation process is complete, you will grant it the access to scan through all the installed apps into your phone. The app will scan through your whole device and will tell you the number of risky, extra and safe apps. You can also scan through your system apps. Just enable the load system apps in the menu. And in my case, I have 0 risky apps but 11 extra apps. And to know if your camera or microphone are enabled without you knowing, you'll have to enable privacy indicator. You can see a tiny red color dot on the top left corner of the screen, and if the only the microphone is on, it will show a yellow color dot, and if both camera and the microphone is on, it will show a red color dot, and if the camera is on, it will show a green color dot. But you can change the location of the dot by moving it in X and Y axis, and seriously you can move it anywhere on the screen, and you can also change the size of the dot. You can also clear your cache at only one spot, and I have 488 MB of data. Let's clean it. And you can also bulk uninstall the unwanted apps, aka risky apps. And that is how you can use this app to get control of your data privacy by keeping a check on the apps installed in your Android device. And with this, we'll be wrapping up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Like and share the video and comment down below what kind of videos you want us to make next. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to always stay updated.
Do you love me?